Hey everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. So recently I got a message off Bitcoin Bull 180, a recent, member of the CoinsKid Discord right there. He made $18,000 of free trades from surfing, one of the CoinsKid admins right there. And then recently he sent me another message saying he's just made another 15,000 on XRP, which is amazing. So this is excellent news, and this is what I love to hear, and the feedback that I get from the CoinsKid Discord and the members right there, and equally people on Twitter as well posting their returns. It's amazing. This is what I love to see. This is why I built this community, and this is why you definitely want to get involved in that and take advantage of all the content. Like I said to you last week, I went absolutely mental in the altcoin section. I felt like a madman. I was posting so much setups on altcoins when people was like, no way, fearful and all that. But every single one of them coins has made money, okay? And there was a beautiful opportunity on FET that I posted on Sunday, and so far that's around about 25% up. Okay, so we're doing really well on that particular trade right there. So I'm really pleased for the CoinsKid crew that we've made some money in all this blood and fear, then 5 waves down in September, and right now we're countering it. So obviously, like I always stress to you, always lock in profit, always pay yourself, don't sit in a trade for too long. If you've made money, put it in the bank basically. So right now, this guy, I'm really pleased with him because he's had some bad news recently, to be honest with you. I won't, disclose that bad news, but, he's had some really bad news, and I want to give his 2 little boys a shout out as well, Theodore and Gabriel, because he said he can do nice things with them now, which is amazing. So big up the CoinsKid crew. This is fantastic news, so well done, Bitcoin Bull. Long may it continue. But remember, buy big green candles, you're going to get big red dildos. You don't buy the FOMO, you don't buy, the sort of breakouts, you buy the blood, you buy the fear, you buy the depression. And the same at the top, you sell the FOMO, you sell the greed and things like that. So we're looking for the 5 waves right now. To dive into XRP then, we've not quite got this big breakout that we're all anticipating right here, and off this potential technical target, this pattern of an ascending triangle. So I'm going to dive into the XRP chart in a moment to take a look, but there are a couple of things that are quite concerning here. I always look to see other content and analysis and things like that. I've got a couple of people in the space that I do follow. One of them, Alessio Rastani, amazing guy. I've referred you to his content before, and equally another guy called Limv. His name is Lee. He's on Twitter. Do follow the guy. The link is in the video description right here, and I'll drop a link to Alessio Rastani's most recent video as well, about where he thinks that one of the charts is lying, either Bitcoin or the stock market, the S&P 500 and the DJI right there. So I do go over those particular scenarios extensively in today's Bitcoin video and give my own analysis and my invalidation and validation of such. So please check out the Bitcoin video for that more extensive outlook on the crypto markets right there. And obviously, if Bitcoin's bearish and it breaks down, then obviously XRP is going to be affected. This is why I do cover Bitcoin every day in the channel for you. But obviously at the moment, just respecting the data, I do actually think that Bitcoin's in a bull market, but obviously it can be invalidated, okay? And I go over that invalidation in today's video, in the Bitcoin video. Please check out the video, and also equally check out Lim's Twitter account right there. Go to him, follow him, drop him a message saying CoinsKid sent me, and equally Alessio Rastani's latest video as well. Please say CoinsKid sent me, okay? So anyway, aside from that, let's dive into the XRP chart right now and see what we can see. So looking at XRP on the daily time frame, we're not quite getting the big breakout that we all anticipate right here. And the technical target that I think that XRP is currently revealing that it's in right now is this ascending triangle at 06460. So obviously right now from this point, if XRP breaks down and loses these key EMAs, which is potentially on the cusp of a bullish cross, which is something I spoke about when this was drawing all the way back down there and everyone's getting super bearish. I said to you, potentially we're going to go from left to right, create a bullish cross towards the apex of this particular pattern, which is an ascending triangle, and that would be a really positive statement for XRP. Obviously there's no guarantees that it will hold, but it's just one of them key signals that we're looking for. So right now, if XRP can hold this little breakout and fall back to neckline support, which is currently doing, and then go again, what you've done here is really nice for XRP, because what you've done, you've broken out here and you've had your back test already, and that means you can go. You've got the green light to take off into space basically. You don't necessarily have to come up to this target and then fall back to this, because you've already done it. Do you understand? And this is something I look for. For example, here when we broke out many times on these ascending triangles, if we take a look, we've got an ascending triangle just there earlier in the year. That little ascending triangle we broke out as this was taken off into space. I said to you, I think we're looking at an ABC back down to the neckline, because we've got to back test that breakout. Boom, we did. Equally here, when we broke out just there, what happened? We broke out in a lovely ascending triangle, broke out, what did we do? Come all the way back down to the neckline. Equally on this particular ascending triangle as well, we broke out, compressed like this, broke out. At this point everyone's getting super bullish, but I said to you, we've got to come back to the neckline to hold support, and that's currently what we're doing. So one of the most important things that XRP is doing here, which no one's looking at, is we're actually getting 2 daily closes above a major level of resistance that XRP has been running into since 2022. Look at that, it's been failing to get above this and stay above it. So like like I said to you, if we can see a break above that and hold this 05391 as support, you know, multiple times over many days, it's really building up the confidence. Okay, we're looking at a major move here for XRP to the upside. Okay, so far so good. I can't flip too bearish on XRP until we start to see bearish signals in the chart for this particular, you know, project right here, this particular coin XRP. So on the weekly, you know, people think I'm a perm bull, whatever, but if we break down, I'll relay this message to you. But if we take a look at the weekly, you know, if we take a look, symmetry is ridiculous right now, because like I said to you, I think that what we've got is an ascending triangle just there, and I think that we're at this point here. I think we're in this candle here. This is where we are for XRP, and you can clearly see we came up, consolidated above this level of resistance, went sideways, and then broke out towards the red line. So if we take a look at this, what we've done is uncannily similar at the moment. We've got a potential ascending triangle like we did in this last big move to the upside. We've got the ascending triangle, and right now right on the money, we're getting this weekly candle that right now is breaking out of this level of resistance, just like this did. So in theory, what we've got here is a potential rinse repeat off this scenario here. We've got the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the big ABC, 35-day ABC as well, and I've gone through this with you. From that point just there to that low just there was 5 bars, 35 days just there. From this point here, we've come up and we've got the 35-day ABC as well, 5 bars, 35 days, and you know, from this point here as well, market symmetry to the previous breakout. We've got the 1, we've got the 2, we've got the 3, we've got the 4, we've got the 5. Okay, so we've had that big thrust up, the ABC correction, 35-day, gone sideways in an ascending triangle. It's ridiculous, and right now we're sort of revealing that we're on the cusp of breaking out, just like we did on this particular candle. So we've got literally 4 days, 15 hours for XRP to confirm that this candle is the same as this candle. Now, if it is, and it starts to come up like that, then I'm looking at something like that for XRP, you know, leading towards the end of the year right here, and we've nailed this analysis. Now remember, nothing I say is financial advice, and I show you the invalidation and validation of such, but so far so good. We're nailing this crypto market against a herd mentality. So again, thank you for support, thank you for tuning in, and right now the invalidation is this white ascending line. We start to break down below that, obviously, like I've relayed to you many times, I will exit XRP and, you know, jump out basically the XRP ship for a bit, basically, because it's not doing what it's done before. Really simple technical analysis. Take care everyone, back to another update on XRP. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.